This is what happens when you don't maintain your bicycle and your aluminum seat post galls with your beautiful 7 Sola titanium bicycle frame. It takes 2 manufacturing engineers, actually 1 manufacturing engineer and a mechanical engineer, with advice from the frame supplier to get it out. And it takes a CEO to stand back and sort of supervise, fetch rags, go get the penetrant. Art says there's a little friction, a little heat buildup in that titanium tube. Measuring to see if we're making any progress.
Measuring the right size. Not sure the logo's in the same place on both sides.
Look at the smoke coming off
4
of it.
7/8, right?
Yeah.
This one's now 5 1/4. Where's the other logo?
Well, you can see that whole truck of materials.
I don't see the other logo.
All right, let's keep at it, boys.